Hey, bum boy. A little bit windy today, but we're gonna be heading to the old garage so we can finally start our DIY paint booth. I'm gonna have a quick bite at my parents' house because, oh my god. It's all about salt for me, man. Preserved food's so bad. I need like good home-cooked meal. Hey, because I'm using this chain leash, sometimes your finger gets caught. Break your finger, man. I'm here to eat lunch. No, me. What doing? And why you look like that?
Mag-video ng yung video ko, pwede ko i-TikTok?
What?
Video ng mga aso, pwede. Hindi.
No, of course.
Hindi, parang puro tao eh.
But you can add cute music and sound effects.
Ay, ang puting-ting ni Mamimi! You wanna eat? You don't wanna eat? You wanna eat bunchoy choy?
He looks like a lion. Looks like that. Actually, that painting is sideways. It's supposed to be like this. Because this is a tiger. It's a tiger's eye.
Video TikTok. Lalagyan ng sound effect.
I don't know how to use TikTok.
Ha?
Hey, doggy.
Meron nga ako eh, kaya lalagyan lang ng ano. Yung mga, let's groove tonight. Kaya yung,
Well,
do you remember 20th in September?
yeah, the 21st night of September is today.
Ay, oo, diba? Okay,
September
sa'yo.
21.
Alam ko na eh, alam.
The bottom of the barrel is always the most flavor.
Hindi siya nasasaktan, anak ko. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Tell me, you wanna eat?
Remember, guys, this is the same lady that said absolutely no pets allowed in the house. Okay, we'll see you guys at the garage. So one of the bigger reasons why I've opted to do the painting project ourselves was because when I first started this channel, it was because I wanted to learn as much as I could. That meant me taking up all of these crazy projects, knowing little to nothing about it. And also that's kind of how we've gotten this far. And that's why I've decided we're gonna be painting the Lions kit ourselves. And I feel like I'd be doing you guys somewhat of a disservice, especially those who wanna learn just as much as me, if I just handed the kit off to a body shop to have it get painted behind the scenes. That really wouldn't be teaching you guys anything. And I more so do these DIYs and tutorial videos so that you guys can see the process and follow along through detailed, thorough explanations about how to do something in particular. So yeah, we're gonna organize this place just a little bit, move the E36 onto this side, and then we're gonna stuff the booth in that corner. Let's get to cleaning. More like a rotary than any of my rotaries. It's a vacuum leak. That's more than enough room. So again, guys, we're gonna be basing our DIY paint booth off a positive pressure paint booth design. So we basically have two fans that are bringing air into the booth, and then one exhaust fan that is bringing the air from the inside the booth to the outside. And we made it easy for ourselves, got our work cut out for us because we're actually gonna be using this tent frame. So it's basically our frame's already pre-built. Fully stretched out, I believe this one is about 10 by 10. For the walls and roof, we're actually just gonna be using plastic drop sheets. I bought a bunch of these because they were only like $1.25 at the dollar store. But if we want a semi-air sealed booth, we're gonna have to double up. So before we lift it up, I think it's just smart to do the roof now so we don't have to use a ladder. And I already made a hole in our roof. But this is almost like tissue paper. started to get so hot in here.
You need the fans blowing you in there.
Yeah, totally. I'm scared that it's just gonna suck everything inside and just like ruin the walls. So I have an idea for that though. We're gonna be using this, and I'm just gonna make it high enough so it's kind of like a tent center, you know, pushes it up like that, and that should be okay. And honestly, here's a test light, but ideally I'll have lights on all 4 corners. I might even just bring those standing booth lights from my home studio.
The softboxes?
The softbox lights, yeah. And then even if we can't fit those inside, we'll have them outside pointing inwards. It'll be really hot in here, but all for the sake of you guys. So that's it for a little booth setup. We've doubled up on all of the walls using this plastic drop sheet, mainly used for painting. But now we're gonna be working on our ventilation system using these floor fans. These are 20-inch, made by the brand Lasco, and I picked these up at Canadian Tire for like 20 bucks, USD each. I have to say USD because most of my supporters are actually from the United States, so. And also, it sounds cheaper like that. Booyah! Super simple. But the idea is to have 2 of these set up on this side so that it can have air sucking in, and then we're actually gonna filter it. We have our own filtration system. That way the air that's coming in there isn't that dirty because this garage actually isn't that clean. We'll just have one side sucking air in and the other side sucking air out. Keep it simple. Now I gotta find some extension cords. Everyone stole ours.
Are you gonna put the filters on the inside?
Yeah. Or I could do it on the outside. But no, I think the inside. That's usually where they are. We'll reinforce it from the inside as well.
Oh dude, you missed a spot. Yeah, for sure.
Spray guns or anything?
Maybe a compressor.
We have a compressor.
Yeah, okay, that would save me. I think it's like whatever you use is good enough for.
Do you want me to move it over?
Sure,
Yeah,
that would be great. Our friend Jordan from Infamous offered to lend us their compressor so I don't have to go drag it from the other shop.
10 PSI, any compressor is gonna be good for that.
It is gonna be good?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, they can use a little ding.
Do you kind of know how to use that? Well, I've just been like learning up, doing research and watching YouTube videos. That's usually how it works around here. Whoa, whoa, oh, load. Thanks, Jordan.
Of course. I guess don't plug it in until you can start using it.
Oh, yo, what up, Jess?
Ready?
Never
Painting?
seen you with glasses. Yeah, this is our makeshift DIY paint booth.
That's actually really good. Damn, fans, filters. Dude, not bad. Oh, the 10 frame?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's smart. That's a good idea.
Totally. I've seen people do like the double booth, and you can actually fit full cars.
Spray some water on the floor.
Yeah, that's the idea. But I think I'm gonna lay down this plastic sheet on the floor as well before I put everything in. But you're right, just moisten it up, right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're gonna be using tomorrow. Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
That's half of it.
That's not too gnarly as fuck.
That's insane, dude.
That should sit nice over top.
What the?
It's a lot of filming though, it's heavy.
Did you already, oh, you've done nothing to it. It's just.
No, nothing. This is just raw
Oh,
print.
that is amazing. It feels heavy, man. It's
Oh,
like,
dude, it's, it's
5.
good 4 kg worth of filament, so.
Holy shit, that looks.
But as you can see, like it's got the full side profile, so that's where it printed flat. And then it's not a solid in full, it's
Basically just built it up this way.
8% yeah, just layer by layer.
Oh
all the
my
way up.
god. So how long did that piece take?
This was 3 days of straight printing. So another 3 days and we'll be able to.
Oh, it's amazing what you can do now, Jordan.
Yeah, we can try it.
Oh yeah, sure.
Right about there. And we might just have to do a little patch there or bring it forward.
Oh my god, that looks insane,
That should be
dude.
good.
Yeah, no, it's better than.
Oh,
Nice.
I feel like it's gonna go with the curvatures of the front hood so well, dude. Just like,
And then we can blend
continuous
it in
wave.
the front as well, so it looks really seamless.
yeah.
Yeah, so it looks like it's part of the hood. Yeah.
Well, that was the idea, was kind of just like grind this down to bare metal and.
Yeah, I think we should mold it. directly
Totally,
to the
yeah,
hood.
yeah.
I think that's gonna be a good way to go about it.
3 days worth. Oh, that's for another day. Anyways, we'll continue with the fan installation. Now we gotta just work on the exhaust part.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark
I ended up putting this middle pillar here just to support the roof. But we haven't even tested out the fans yet. Pretty much, this entire booth is set up, sealed enough, and that's the doorway, so that's where we're gonna be coming in from. And on this side, we got our makeshift vent system. I mean, I just put this together with the boxes that the fans came in, but this is gonna be leading outside. Yo, let's see if this booth inflates like a balloon. We'll just set ourselves up for tomorrow too. So still, like I said, I gotta get the paint, and then I gotta get it like paint matched, so I think it takes like an hour or so for them to do that. Go like this.
So what are you doing?
Oh shit. Okay, okay. Look at that.
Yeah, I see it filling.
Look
Starting
at
to
that.
bubble. Starting to bubble.
Man. Come on in, guys. The lights, we still gotta get connected and bring the other ones from home. But yeah, this is it, guys. And here's like one of the little shoe stands we picked up at the dollar store that we're gonna reappropriate as stands for the pieces. Guys, this is working like a charm.
Dude, it feels pretty, like, it was hot in here before, but now it feels good.
Ventilated, right?
Yeah.
Well ventilated. Nice.
This
Good.
is all the dust in there. Started catching it.
Totally, man. Look at that.
Ooh,
Look
we
at
took a
that.
dub. We took a dub.
Yo, that's sick.
Yeah, no, that's nice.
Did good, guys.
Yeah, good job.
But yeah, I'm gonna reinforce it here with tape too.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we'll just set ourselves up for tomorrow. Cool. Good job, sons.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Slick, guys. Got the clear coat.
This is the activator.
Gun box.
Awesome. So yeah, that's your reservoir right here.
Am I gonna need an extra one of those for this and then one for the paint? Is that how it works?
You can clean it out and use it.
True, I guess.
And this is your gun right here.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's a
Man.
nice gun, yeah.
Why am I excited about this? Damn. And that obviously connects to this. Thank you, Jordan, again.
That's a good looking gun.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be.
Put some bungee cords right here, and this is where I'm gonna be hanging up some of the pieces, like on this side, like the smaller pieces. And that's just so I can get all the way around it, hit it in certain angles. I've also brought some of the easels in here. And then that shoe rack we're gonna be using for some of the parts as well. I'm sure we'll be able to do all of the painting in here. And then we also added this for extra support, this middle pillar, which is just one of our flag stands. But I reinforced it with tape on the top so it doesn't poke through completely. Yo, what the F? Hey, what is that? It's like the shape of a dick. yo, get that out of here. Okay. All right, friends, that is it for this video. I'm gonna continue the painting tomorrow because actually the paint shop is closed, or the place that I was gonna go pick up the RX Say yellow paint. I haven't ordered that yet. I was just busy creating this booth setup. But now that this is complete, all we really need to do is order the paint, which also won't take too long. And then we can just spend the next day or so doing the paint prep and also getting to painting. But before I end the video, guys, this weekend we're gonna be having our annual warehouse sale at the new KMR Gallery. I mean, usually we have it at this place, but the store is non-existing here anymore. So from the 24th to the 26th, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're gonna be having our warehouse sale where we basically take all of the old stock, all the old merch that we haven't sold on the online store to our actual local retail store here in Calgary so that all of the locals get a chance to basically buy our old merch for discounted prices, like really, really good deals. So if you're a Calgary local, mark your calendars. For sure, this RX-8 giveaway is now postponed, but it's because we haven't even completed it yet. So I got ahead of myself a little bit there. But all of the sales that go towards this still count these previous months, so you guys are still safe. That's it for this video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao. I'm not, because I'm shooting at 4K right now. There it is, but it's 140. Well, whatever. I just wanted to say goodnight. Peace, man.
Peace out, man. See you when you put the color on, man.
See you when I spray ya.
Yes. I'm gonna spray you too, man.
Shh. What the? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.